Hi, it's Chris. In this guitar lesson, we're learning 5 of the best pop songs that you can play on guitar from the first half of 2018. If you're finding these songs tough, then check out the other video, which has the same songs, but just using single notes. And if you do enjoy this lesson, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification setting. In this particular order, we're learning Friends by Anne-Maire, 2002, The Middle by Zedd, In My Blood by Shawn Mendes, and No Tears Left to Cry by Ariana Grande. Friends goes like this. I'll play it once, full speed, and then slow speed, and then we'll go through it together. So to begin with, we play an A minor chord, 1 on the 2nd string, then fret 2 on strings 3 and 4, open string 5. We're going to play this chord like an arpeggio, meaning that we play with the strings of the chord separately. So it's string 5, 4, 3, and 2. Then we're going to deaden the sound by placing the palm of our hand or a hand on the strings. Then we do a C major chord. Simply take your 3rd finger, place it on the 3rd fret, and then repeat the same string sequence. Then we have an F. It's pretty much an F bar chord, which can be tough. So it's the 1st fret on string 6 at the top, then 3rd finger, 3rd fret on this next string down, string 5, and then pinky finger on the string below that, 3rd fret, and then 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, and then we play from the top down to the 3rd string. The last thing to do is to bar the 3rd fret on strings 1 and 2. Barring just simply means pressing multiple strings. Then the 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the 1st string. We play these together. Keep your 1st finger on the 3rd fret and then slide your 3rd finger down to the 4th fret, or use your 2nd finger. The next song is 2002 by Anne-Maire. The first chord is D major. We're going to arpeggiate this, meaning playing the strings of this chord individually. Starting with the D string, it's our thumb, or the 4th string. 1st finger on the 3rd string, 2nd finger on the 2nd finger on the 2nd string, 3rd finger on the 1st. So we play 4 strings 4 times. Then we play an A chord. You can bar this with 1 finger, or play like that. So you're going to start with the 5th string and play down to the 2nd. Then we have a B minor bar chord. So it's the 2nd fret on string number 5 with our 1st finger. And then with fingers 3 and 4, you're going to play the 4th fret on the 2 middle strings. And with our 2nd finger, you're going to play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then we play from the 5th string down to the 2nd 4 times. And the next chord is very similar, so we're going to bar the 2nd fret at least down to the 3rd string, that's the minimum, and then with our 3rd and 4th fingers you're going to fret. Let's have a look. So the 4th fret on the 4th and 5th strings, and you do the same finger picking sequence from the top string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The next chord is G major. So 3rd fret on the top string, then the 5th fret on the 5th string and also on the 4th one, and then 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret. And we play from the top string, 5th string, 4th and 3rd, and again. Then back to an A major chord, we'll play 2 lots of 4. Then you finish with a D major chord, so 4 lots of 4, 4 strings. Okay, the next song is The Middle by Zedd. This one's slightly easier. I'll play the chord sequence once and then we'll go through it together. To begin with, it's a C major chord, down, up, down. Then G to D, down, up, down. Down, up, down. Finishing with C major, down, up. Our 4th song by Shawn Mendes is a finger-picking song, and it goes like this. So you're just alternating between 2 strings with your thumb and index finger. So to begin with, it's the 10th fret on the 2nd string, 8th fret on the 5th string. You play those together. Then the 5th string, 2nd string, 5th string, 2nd string, 5th string, 2nd string. Then it's the 1st fret on the 5th string, 3rd fret on the 2nd, and it goes 5th string, 2nd, back to the 5th, 2nd, 5th string, 2nd, 5th string, and 2nd. Lift off your 1st finger. Then we're going to alternate between the 2nd string and an open 4th, so the D string. So it's the 4th string, 2nd, back to the 4th, 2nd, back to the 4th, 2nd, back to the 4th, then we're going to slide 3 to 5 on the 2nd string. And then we're going to do this chord again, so it's 3 on the 2nd, 1 on the 5th, play together, then the top, the bottom, top, bottom, top, and the bottom string, or the 2nd string. Our 5th and final song is No Tears Left to Cry by Ariana Grande, and it goes like this. It's C major with twice with a down strum, G major twice with a down strum, then with F, you don't have to play a full bar chord, but if you've learned previous songs you probably can do that. So it's F with a down, down, up, down. Then back to C, G, F with a down, down, up, down, C twice, D minor, which is 1 on the 1st string, 3 on the 2nd, 2 on the 3rd, and then an open 4th with a down, down. Then it's A minor with a down, down, up, down. Then we have C down, up, down. And again, down, up. Remove your third finger, second finger up with a down strum.